By the end of this module, you should be able to define single-zone mini-split air conditioners, identify the components of a single-zone mini-split air conditioners, and identify the unique components in a single-zone mini-split air conditioners.
A single-zone mini-split system is an HVAC unit designed for heating and cooling a specific room or area in a building. It consists of an outdoor compressor or condenser and an indoor air handling unit connected by refrigerant lines and drain tubing. The indoor unit is mounted on a wall or ceiling of the room to be conditioned. A single-zone system allows zoning of temperature for one space. Unlike centralized systems that condition entire buildings, mini-splits utilize compact outdoor and indoor units to deliver focused heating and cooling to individual rooms or zones. Single-zone operation. This characteristic denotes the system's ability to cool or heat a particular room or zone independently. It ensures that the HVAC system is tailored to the specific needs of that area, promoting efficiency and resource conservation. Ductless design. Unlike conventional HVAC systems that rely on ducts for air distribution, a single-zone mini-split operates without ductwork. Instead, it utilizes refrigerant lines and electrical wiring to connect the indoor and outdoor units. This design enhances flexibility in installation and reduces energy losses associated with duct systems. Energy efficiency. Single-zone mini-splits often exhibit high energy efficiency due to their ability to provide precise temperature control in targeted zones. By avoiding the need to condition an entire building, these systems reduce energy consumption and associated costs. The single-zone mini-split air conditioner components include outdoor condenser unit, indoor unit, refrigerant tubing, refrigerant control valves, remote control/thermostat, condensate drain line, power cable, air filters, fan, control board, expansion valve, and sensors. The single-zone mini-split air conditioner unique components include remote control or thermostat and air filtration system. Remote control or thermostat. This component provides users with a convenient and remote means of adjusting the settings of the single-zone mini-split system. Users can control temperature settings, fan speed, and operating modes without the need to physically interact with the indoor unit. The remote control can be handheld or wall-mounted for easy accessibility. It operates within a specified range, allowing users to make adjustments from various locations within the room. Air filtration system. An air filtration system is an additional feature in some indoor units of single-zone mini-splits. It enhances indoor air quality by capturing and filtering airborne particles, such as dust, allergens, and pollutants. This contributes to a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Typically integrated into the indoor unit, the air filtration system is positioned in a way that allows it to filter the air before it is circulated back into the room. Energy efficiency. Single-zone mini-splits are known for their high energy efficiency. They allow for precise temperature control in individual zones, reducing energy waste associated with conditioning the entire building. Ductless design. The ductless nature of these systems simplifies installation, making them suitable for spaces without existing ductwork. This feature also minimizes energy losses commonly associated with traditional ducted systems. Targeted climate control. Single-zone mini-splits are designed to cool or heat specific areas, providing customized comfort. This targeted approach is beneficial for spaces with varying temperature needs. Installation flexibility. The absence of ducts and the flexibility of refrigerant lines allow for versatile installation options. Single-zone mini-splits can be installed in retrofit projects or in spaces where ductwork is impractical. Initial cost. The upfront cost of purchasing and installing a single-zone mini-split system can be higher compared to traditional heating and cooling solutions. This cost includes both equipment and installation expenses. Limited coverage. Single-zone mini-splits are designed for specific zones, making them less suitable for providing climate control throughout an entire home. Multiple units may be needed for larger spaces. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. Filters need to be cleaned or replaced, and both indoor and outdoor units should be inspected, which may require professional assistance. In summary, single-zone mini-splits offer an efficient and targeted solution for climate control within specific areas. Their ductless design, coupled with precise temperature regulation, makes them a cost-effective and energy-efficient option for personalized comfort.